Okay guys, so today we are in a bush. As you can see, this is where we are coming to talk about very lucrative building that I saw, which is less costly. The plan is really well. So from outside, this is how the building really looks like, and this is a washroom for visitors, and this is the hall. Here is the hall, and okay guys, so today we are in a bush. As you can see, this is where we are. Someone will be asking me, where are you now? Karma Studios. Today we are not in the studios and we are not in the office, but we are coming to talk about very lucrative building that I saw, which is less costly. The plan is really well. I came here yesterday and I saw this building and I said, no, I cannot keep this to myself. I have to show it to my viewers, my subscribers, those who always come back and watch our videos. You know, this platform is very educative. The content that we produce on this platform, very educative, and we show you how you'll be able to, get involved in the Sun City, because right now we are in Sunyani, and then I saw this building. This is a new site, so as you can see, there is a lot of Imura, that we say bush. Yeah, bush is around this area because people are now trooping in, people are now building, people are now doing a lot of stuff in the Sun City. Yes, so this is a new site at Konum, Asifufu Konum, and I think I saw a building and I have to show it to you guys. So this platform is now dedicated to educate most of the Ghanaians in the diaspora, most of the Africans in the diaspora. Now we'll be showing you some of the new sites and the things that they lack and the kind of business you can do in that area that will generate money for you. So if you always want to get educated about that, come back and watch our videos on this platform. And I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If it is your first time, make sure to always come back and watch our videos on this platform. Here is Karma Studios. Now, without doing much more of the talking, because the content is very educative, I don't want to talk much about it. I want you guys to judge by yourselves, by your eyes. Stay back, take your tea, sip it small, and let me take you through the reason why we are in the bush today. Now, let's dive into the main content. So from outside, this is how the building really looks like. Yes, as you can see, the building is so small, not that small. When we get in, you're going to understand the reason why I came to this bush to show you this building. If you're a young man, young woman, and you're living in the diaspora, you are living in the country, in any of the country that you're watching us from, I think this kind of building is very lucrative. Now, let me go back and take it once again. So this is the view from outside, and this is the main face. So this is the main face, and this is a washroom for visitors. You know, when you have visitors and then you cannot let them in, you cannot let them go into your room and then use your washroom or something like that. You have to give them another washroom outside. So this is the outside view of the whole thing. So as you can see, this is the outside view, and here is the visitors washroom, and this is the hall. Here is the hall, and this place is the dining hall, and this place is the kitchen, and this is back view of the building. Yeah, this is the back view of the building. Yeah, so here is the kitchen, and this place is the dining hall. This place is the main hall, and this place is a room. Yeah, this is a room, and each room comes with its own toilet and bath. And this is the toilet and bath to this room, and this is the main room, guys. So this building has 2 bedrooms. So the first bedroom is what I've just shown you guys, and this is the second bedroom. It comes with its own toilet and bath, and this is the toilet and bath. And actually, this is the living room. Yeah, this is the living room here, and this is the main hall that is the dining hall, and that is the kitchen, and here is the visitors washroom. So if you're someone and you want your privacy, you don't want family members to come in to stay for a long period of time, you want them to also come once and come and pay you a visit. If you have a visitor, the visitor has to stay at the hall, yeah, because maybe this is for you and your wife, this room is for you and your wife, and this is for your children. The rooms are occupied, and this is the dining hall, this is the kitchen. So when they cook from the kitchen, then you eat here, you come and rest over here, then you go to this room to rest. Your children also goes there to rest, and then when you have a visitor, the visitor has to stay at the main hall. And then if the person is feeling like using the washroom, this is the washroom. So the visitor don't have to access your room for your washroom or go outside and do most of the things. So I think this is really good, guys, because when I saw it yesterday, I was like, okay, for those of you who want your privacy and you don't want to build something big for yourself, you want it for your family, I think this is a very good option for you guys to go in, because yeah, I love it, and I think you guys will also love it. It's really amazing, and I think most of the youths in the country, they have to go in for this type of building, and I love it, guys. I will show you the outside. Now let's go outside and let me show you how it really looks like. Okay, so from outside, this is the main face, and I'll be taking you around the whole building. This is the main face, and this is the other side. Yeah, this is the other side. So from the look of things, you can even watch this video and then show this video to any mason, and if the person is expert, they are going to know the kind of an amount of blocks which will be used for this type of building. Yeah, and I think this is the border, or I say the border, yes, the borders of the thing. So you still have space outside, because this doesn't take much more of your land. You still have land. If your plan is really well and you know how to structure it, I think it's really good, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the other side of the building, and you walk in, you get a real face, you get the actual face of the building. Yeah, so this is how it really looks like from outside, and I think this is really cool, budget friendly, and it will help young people and anyone who wants their privacy. They don't want any large building. Yeah, you can go in for this. If you're really enjoying this video, why don't you subscribe to our platform, so that we'll be showing you much more of these kind of projects, so that you can also get inspiration from this. We are bringing in much more content like this on this platform to get everyone educated. Yeah, or someone can even pick an inspiration from this. So this is also the back, so it has two faces. Yeah, so this is how it really looks like from outside. Yeah, this is a new site, so if you're seeing some bushes, this is how it really looks like. Yeah, okay, guys, so if you're really enjoying this video and so if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up on YouTube, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Facebook, so that you'll be getting much more of this kind of content on our platform. Remember, the name is still Sticky the Superstar, and this platform is called Karma Studios. Yeah, we are trying to let everyone get whatever they want on this platform, and this is something I saw yesterday, and I feel like I don't have to keep it to myself. Someone may need this. Someone may get inspiration from this. Your friend wants to build. Your friend wants to invest. Yeah. This is Konum Asufufu. Asufufu Konum, yes. And then this is a new site most of the people are building. So when I turn the camera back, you will see you see that a lot of residents are trooping in. They are trooping in. Yeah, they are coming. So this is Sunyani, and this is a new site. This is now coming up, and people are building. They are actually building. Yeah, they are investing. So I think the next video will be what kind of business can you do on this place and in this place. My HOD, he wasn't really good in English because he wasn't really good in it. Yeah.